today we are going to start Excel. That means in Excel, how to use if function. That means if functions using if function, you can do multiple jobs. You can do many things using if functions. See example, we will use if function, but in a salary sheet. So in how to create salary sheet using if function. So example, see, we are going to start Excel. Excel, just Windows R, then run. It will display run. Then write down Excel, then enter press. It will automatically start Microsoft Excel. Then enter. Okay. So in last tutorial we have studied about the interface, about addition, subtraction, multiplication and deletion. Now today we are going to start one more function, that is called if. Using if function we will use salary sheet. We will design a salary sheet. So example, for designing a salary sheet, what I will do, just you can write down salary sheet. Okay, just you can make as a heading this salary sheet is. What you have to do, just margin center. It will automatically bring the text middle of the cell. So now see, SL is a first copy, SL, then e-name or employee name. E-name means employee name. So we are not going to add anything details, the joining date or whatever department, just we are going to add the name. Then there will be some basic salary. So serial we have learned in last lesson how to create serial just by pressing Ctrl, drag and drop. It will automatically select. It will automatically create the series. So just name. You can write down say son, man, just son. Just if you drag and drop, automatically it will display some with this name. So we consider this is the name of employee. So these are the name of employee. So example, basic salary, you have to enter the basic salary. So example, 7,000, 2,500, 8,000, 5,000, 4,000 or 9,000. Okay, so now you know how to format the cell. Just select, enter all borders, select all border, then click on center. So now we know how to put theme color also, how to change theme color also. So now we are going to use HRA. We have learned how to add comments. That means what is the meaning of HRA? If I write down full meaning of full meaning here, house, rent, allowance, it will take long. You have to increase the column width. So without increasing column width, what you can do, just you can use comments, insert comments, so that user will understand what is the meaning of HRA. House, rent, allowance. So you can resize the column, resize the box so that it shows. Okay, just now if you bring the mouse pointer here, it will automatically show the what is the meaning of HRA, house, rent, allowance. Okay, now we have to find out HRA using if function. If function is a very important function in Microsoft Excel, but most of the cases, most of the people use if function by writing. So but we will use in this way, you have to write down the function, but we will use very short form. That means using wizard we will use if function. So now first our question is, you have to give the condition how you will find out HRA, or what will be the HRA. If example, I am giving the condition, if basic is more than or equal to 6,000, then HRA is 1,000, else 800. So this is my condition. What is the condition? Condition is if basic is, this is the basic of the employees, or if basic is more than 6,000, more than or equal to 6,000. So I am writing condition here, HRA. How to calculate? There will be three condition. First one will be logical test, LT. See example, logical test If true, condition is true. If false, there will be three boxes. Logical test is if basic is more than, that means greater than or equal to, how much? Just 6,000. This is the condition. See, if basic is more than means greater than or equal to, how much? 6,000. Then if true, then what will be the result? 1,000. If false, that means if false means less than 6,000, that means 800. So our condition is, this is the condition for HRF. See example, there will be three boxes. First one is condition, if basic is more than or equal to 6,000, then if true, then condition will be 1,000. If false, then we will provide 800. Now question is, whenever we will apply formula, we cannot write down the basic, because if you write down basic, if I apply the formula to the rest of the cell, it will display the error, because instead of basic, what we have to do, we have to click on cell. See example, this cell will be D4. See example, D4 is the basic. D4 is a basic. So we are going to start how to apply the formula. This is just theoretical formula. If basic means D4 is greater than or equal to 6,000, then HRA means in this cell value will be 1,000, true. If false, that means less than 6,000, then will be 800. This is the formula. So first we are going to start. Select the cell where you would like to display the result, that is first task. Then click on fx, because this is not add, sum or multiplication, division. So in that case, select then fx. We are not going to write down the formula, because if you learn Excel using writing formula, there may problem may arise, because there may make a mistake. You may make a mistake. So instead of, to avoid the mistake, what we can do, we can use formula using dialogues. See, select fx is very easy. Just if you are not getting function in your function list, you can write down if, enter. It will automatically find out the function name. Okay, then okay. It is so. There are three boxes I have already drawn there previously. First one is logical test. This one, first one. If true is, then if false. So first condition is logical test. Place the cursor here. Logical test. If basic is, condition is if basic is more than, if basic means this one, because we have placed the cursor here. This basic of this row will be this one, D4. It will automatically come D4, F4, whatever. You don't have to think that one. Just select the basic in the same row's value. D4 basic is greater than, that means more than or equal. How much? 6,000. Just write down 6,000. Condition is over. This is the condition. That means if basic, you have to select the basic is more than means greater than, or equal. How much? 6,000. The company has given you condition that 6,000. The people, those who will get 6,000 and more than 6,000, they will get 1,000 house rent, else 800. So now condition is if basic is greater than or equal to 6,000, then they will get how much? 1,000 house rent as a house rent. Then if false, that means 800. That's all. Now over. Now okay. Now we have learned, instead of drag and drop the formula, just if you double click, automatically you can get the formula in rest of the cell. Okay. So it's very simple. Now if you increase the basic salary, say example, if you make it 4,000, it will automatically become 800, because the condition is it is becoming less than 6,000. So this is the function of finding HRF. That means you have to use HRF, if function for finding out HRF, because if condition. So now you have to make a border. You have learned now how to create border instead of selecting, aligning, bordering. So what you can do, just select in a number cell, single click in format cell, then drag and drop. Okay, then select the cell. It will automatically apply the format. Okay. Now in same way we have to write down bonus. Say example, how to find out bonus. So I am writing the function for bonus. Same way, same function. If basic is more than, if basic is more than or equal to, see example 5000, we are putting 5000. If basic is more than equal to 5000, then bonus is 50% of basic. This is another condition. Else 20% of basic. Now we are going to some deeper level, because last time we have set up the full value, rounded value. Now we are going to calculated values. That means if basic is more than or equal to 5000, now what we will do, just we are going in theoretical way. See example, this is for bonus. So now same way, condition is, previous condition was if basic is more than or equal to 6000. Now if basic is more than or equal to 5000, that means if basic means D4 is greater than equal to, you have to change it 5000, just like previous function. If true, now in our previous function, the value, if 6000 greater than or equal to 6000, it was 1000. Now not 1000, now bonus is 50% of basic. That means not only basic, 50% of basic. That means basic into 50%, basic into 50%. If false, then how much they will get? Basic into 20%. is very simple. If basic is, this is our actual condition, theoretical condition. Now whenever you will go for practically used in the here, in that case what you have to do, instead of basic you have to click on basic. That means D4, you have to click on basic, this cell D4. That means here it will also be D4, same one. In this place also it will be D4. That's all. So we are going to apply the function formula. This formula is here. Just select the cell, first condition. Click on fx, insert function, just like previous one. Click on if. Okay, again if function, because if there is if. Logical test. If basic is, condition is, that means you have to click on basic. You are getting basic. If basic is more than means greater than. If basic is more than or equal, that means equal. How much? 5000. If basic is more than or equal to 5000, then if value if true. In last case what we did just 1000. Now if value is true, it will be 50% of basic. That means basic into 50%. That's all. If false, that means 20% of basic. That means again same value, same rows, because whenever you are applying any functions, wherever you will click, you'll select the cell, you have to click on same rows values, because same rows values basic is this one. So just basic into 20%. That's all. So now condition is, if basic is more than or equal to 5000, if true, then basic into 50%. If false, then same rows, same values, basic into 20%. Now if you double click, automatically you will get the rest of the values or rest of the functions. So now select format painter, just drag and drop, just select. Now click format painter, you can apply the theme color. Same way you can find out medical or whatever in other functions also. Medical also same. If you apply for medical, what you can do, just drag and drop. We are changing, you can make it medical. If basic is more than or equal to, say example 4000, medical is, this will be medical is 10% of basic, else no medical. See example, no medical. Okay, so same way, just you can say is a medical. Condition is, if basic is more than or equal to, here will be 4000. If true, then medical will be 10% of basic. That means basic into 10%. If false, no medical. No medical means you cannot write down no medical. If you write down no medical, whenever you will addition or summarize the value, you can get the error message. In that case, instead of no medical, you can write down 0. So this is the function for finding out medical. Same way, so just select fx if basic is same, basic is greater than or equal to how much? 4,000. Condition same. Then true, if true, then basic, same basic into 10%. If false, that means no medical means 0. Okay, just double click. Okay, now you can find out conveyance also. You can medical bonus, medical conveyance bill, mobile bill, whatever you can add. Same function, using same function you can add many things, many columns, many criteria. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add one more thing, that is working hours. Just one critical function, working hour. Just write down, just you can make it show. Whenever you will show the comments, it will permanently show. So just right click, insert comment, WH means working hour. Okay, it is working hour. You can make it show, permanently show. Okay, working hour means what you can do, you have to write down the working hour. Just this is for just example. Actually we are going to learn if functions, so how to calculate. So just working hour is 12 hours, someone work 8 hours work daily. See, someone work 5 hours, someone 10, someone for 11 hours. Okay, just 4 hours. Now just select border. Now depending on working hour, we have to find out OT. What do you mean by OT? OT means overtime. Depending on working hour, you have to find out OT. OT means overtime. So how to find out overtime? It's also simple. So condition, first you have to write down the condition. So what will be the function condition for working hour? OT. So OT. See, I am putting condition. If working hour is more than 8, because actual working hour in official working hour is normally 9 to 9, that means 8 hours. If working hour is more than 8, then OT, just we are going to start first condition is starting simple way means if working hour is more than 8, then OT is 20 taka per hour for extra hour, else no OT. That means no OT. What is the condition? 20 taka per hour for extra hour. So mind it, if working hour is more than 8, that means the Sunday first person he work 12 hours. That means we have to find out how many maximum hours he work. Extra hours, actually you have to find out extra hours. So actual working hour is 8. So how you can find out extra hours? That means you have to deduct from working hour you have to deduct, but from working hour you have to deduct actual hour. Actual hour means, what is the actual hour? Actual hour means 8 hours. See example, 12 minus 8, that means 4 hours you work extra. So what will be the calculation? If 12 minus 8, then per hour into 20. This is the actual calculation. But condition is, if you use only these things, what you can do? Just 12 minus 8 into 20. This is not a function, because according to condition, the people, those who are getting, you will get minus function. This is one option. Second option, just you can use the bracket, you can set the priorities. This is also not a solution, because Whenever they will work less hours, then it will be minus. So first, what you have to find out. So without using normal function, you cannot find out this overtime. So in that case also, you have to go for if function. Why if function? Because the people will get overtime, those who worked only more than 8 hours. So you have to give the condition. Who will get working hour? That means you have to go for condition. See, now in previously we used basic. Now we are not using basic. The condition is on working hour. So you have to click on working hour, not basic. So if I click on here, working hours will be this one. So again, theoretically I am writing here. Instead of working hour, instead of basic, you have to click on here. Here means H4. That means working hour. See, I am writing working hour, WH. Working hour is greater than, not equal, because the people who will work 8 hours, they will not get. Only more than 8 hours. When they will work more than 8 hours, that means working hour greater than 8. If working hour greater than 8, then they will get overtime. What will be the calculation? Condition is over. That means only those who work more than 8 hours. That means he will not get. That person will not get. That person will get. That person will get. That person will not get. According to condition. So how now calculation? What will be the true? True means what will be in true, because you have to find out working hour minus 8. That means if working hour is 12 and minus 8, you can get 12 minus 8, 4. Now into 20, because per hour you will get 20 dollars. Now condition is if 12 minus 8, you will get minus 4. Minus 4 into 20, that means minus 80. So it will not be an actual function. So in that case, what you have to do? At first you have to deduct, then you have to multiply. So we can set priorities by using parenthesis, bracket. Now what it will do? First it will minus, then it will multiply. What it will minus? It will minus from 12 to 8, then it will multiply 20. So that's all. So now we are going to apply this formula here. Select, click on fx, if function. Condition is if working hour is more than 8. See, if working hour is more than 8, where is the working hour? This one is the working hour, because we have selected here. The working hour will be this one. So working hour is greater than what? 8. Working hour is greater than 8. If true, see bracket, because we have to deduct first. Working hour minus 8, bracket close, per hour. That means, see, it has automatically, we are getting 4, because 12 minus 8 is 4 into per hour. What is the per hour? 20. Okay, that's all. Now you are going to get 80. 0. If false, then 0, because if less than 8 hours, then they are not going to get any working overtime. So now condition is okay. Just double click. Now you will not get any minus, because first it is going to check the condition. See example, we are going to apply the formula. We are going to check. So see example, if you consider working hour equal to 12. See, if working hour means 12 greater than 8, that means it is true. If true, then it will come to the calculation. 12 minus 8, that means 4, then it will multiply by 20, then come to 8. Second one, consider working hour equal to 8. Just if you put working hour equal to 8, so come to the condition 8 greater than 8 is a false word. So it is not going to calculate, it is directly going to send to the 0 automatically, because it is false. 8 greater than 8, 8 cannot be greater than 8, because 8 is equal to 8. It is going to set the 0. So say that is why you are not going to get minus, because see example, if here it should be minus actually, because here is not displaying minus, it is setting 0. How? If working hour equal to 5, consider working hour equal to 5, that means 5 greater than 8 is false. That means it is directly setting the 0. Okay, so in that way. But actually in factory or in a garments factory or in another factory, This is not a condition because every employees cannot have the same overtime, same per hour. Because see example, some people working for 10 years or someone joined before 1 year. If both are getting the 20 taka per hour, so that is not a legal or logical way. That is illegal fully. So what you have to do, you have to calculate per hour 20 taka from your basic, because the people, those who are experienced, their basic will be higher. See example 8,000. He is an experienced worker, because that is why he is getting 8,000. 9,000, he is an experienced worker. So we have to find out per hour from basic. So how you can find out? So condition will be, if working hour is more than 8, then OT is, instead of 20 taka per hour, you have to change here. You have to change, OT is double of hourly rate of basic per hour for extra hour, else no OT. That means double of hourly rate of basic, double of hourly rate of basic. See example, if anyone is getting 3,000 taka per month, double of hourly rate, that means you have to find out hourly rate. The 3,000 taka is for per month. See example, consider 30 days. So for what will be the daily income? That means you have to divide it by 30. Consider we are working day is a 30 is a 30 days in a month. See example, select divided by 30, you will get the daily income. Daily means full day. Then now per hour, this is the full day income. This is the daily income, daily income. So per hour, hourly income. How you get hourly income? Equal to, this is daily income divided by 8, because you have to work 8 hours. So this is the per hour salary. Per hour, double of hourly rate. That means double. How you will calculate double? This hourly rate into 2. So this is the actual. If anyone is getting 3,000, is double of hourly rate will be 25. So how you can find out? It's very simple. So we can do here, such working hour is greater than 8. Calculation are same. Only you have to change here. Only because you have to find out the extra hour. Extra hour, how you can find out? Working hour minus. Now problem is here. Double of hourly rate of basic. How you can find out? Now you have to divide it basic. How you can find out double of hourly rate? Basic divided by 26, because in factory 26 days in a month, divided by 8, you will get hourly rate into 2, double, like this way. That's all. This is the condition. So this is the hourly rate of basic. So now you can find out. We are removing this one. Just select fx if working hour, select working hour greater than 8, then bracket this one, working hour means you have to click. You cannot write down WH, because for theoretical you have written here WH. Working hour means this one, working hour minus 8, bracket close, working hour minus 8 into, now hourly rate means you have to click on basic, because you have selected here, you have to click on basic here, because this one is the basic of this cell. Basic divided by 26, that means it is coming to days salary, divided by 8, it is dividing to hourly salary, into hourly salary into double, or you can close the bracket, into 2, because double of hourly rate, else 0. That's all. Okay, so if you double click, you can get the double of hourly rate of basic. See, this is the actual overtime. So now we can reduce the decimal place. You can make it round. How to do that? This is increased decimal, decreased decimal, decreased decimal. You can click, just select, just decrease decimal. Now you can make it round figure. So this is the overtime. Now provident fund is also there. Sometimes PF, Provident fund. So you can find out provident fund also. Provident fund, PF. Provident fund. So how to find out provident fund? Provident fund is also same. Say example, if PF, if working, if not working hour, if basic is more than or equal to, if basic is more than or equal to, see example, 5,000, then PF is 10% of basic. It is very simple, just like previous, else 5% of basic. Okay, else 5% of basic. This is very simple, just previous one. If basic is basic, you have to click on basic. But PF, basic is greater than or equal to 5,000, then basic, we already did that one, just like HRA and bonus 10%, else just for basic into 5%. That's all. It's very simple, just PF. Select FX. If basic is greater than equal to 5,000, then is basic into 10%, else basic into 5%. Now condition is, if there are two conditions. See example, if joining date is there, if length of service is more than 5, that is different condition. We can find out using AND. In our next lecture, we will find out how to use AND function also. And if, just simply we are using if functions here. See now net pay, we can find out net pay. This is our last net pay. Net pay, see example, at the end of the month you are going to get the salary. So now how you can find out net pay? In net pay, what you can get? Net pay means all things will add, basic plus bonus, HRA plus bonus plus OT. Problem is you have to deduct the PF, because PF you are going to get end of the service. Whenever you are terminating or you are leaving the service, then you will get. So equal basic plus HRA plus bonus plus medical plus OT minus, then minus PF, because PF you are going to, PF you are not going to get, it will be deducted. But condition is, nobody is going to get, because someone is getting 5% or someone is getting 10%. Now condition is, if PF is, if more than or equal to 5,000, then automatically it is going to get, okay. Yes, just what will be net pay. If condition is actually, if basic is more than or equal to 5,000, then they will get 10%, otherwise basic, else no PF, because no PF, because condition is 10% no PF. Okay, so today we have learned how to create a salary sheet using Excel if function. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel. See you at the next video. Thank you.